Hey guys, Kyle here. I'm bored, so I'm gonna do a bike check of my BMX. Starting off at the top, obviously. That's where everyone else starts. I do not have grips because I put them on my scooter. But coming when next week, I will probably buy some Vans grips and put those on. And it's sliding because it doesn't have any grips on. The bars, I'm not sure what model they are. They're pretty scratched up, but they're kink bike bars. I did not get them off the bike. I bought them for around $80 at my local bike shop. Brakes, obviously stock off the bike. They are, you can't even see that anyways, but they are free agent brakes with free agent brake line. Free agent stem, FSA impact headset. I got the blue spacer in there. Forks are free agent forks. Kenda tire. The rim is free agent. Spokes are Rant. The hub is free agent. Frame is a free agent. Now I took all the stickers off because they were really annoying and they're already being peeled off. So I don't remember what model it is. I'm pretty sure it's like a no, never mind, I don't know. Pedals are not sure if it goes. They're VP, I don't know what that stands for. Viper maybe, I don't know. Cranks, free agent. This side's free agent. Sprocket is free agent. I'm pretty sure it's 21 tooth or 22 tooth, I'm not sure. Chain is the KMC chain. It's yellow. Brakes back here are free agent. My seat is a Flybikes Uno seat. It's not pivotal, it's just one piece. It's short, so you can't stick it out. It has to be down in there, because that's how I like my seats. And I do not like fat seats. They're really annoying, so I got a small one. Back tire, same as front. Everything's the same. I have these Dice air caps, and then the hub is free agent. If I kind of quit BMXing to go to scootering, but scootering turned out to help me with my biking, and I can 180 on a bike now because scootering has helped with my bike skills too somehow. But if I do get back into it, I might get a free coaster, because free coasters are they are really heavy, but my bike's pretty light, so it won't make much of a difference. But free coasters are a lot easier for most tricks, and yeah, because when you're doing like rollbacks and fakies and stuff, you don't have to pedal. So everything's the same except for the tire. The tire's another Kenda, but it's different tread. And that's pretty much everything other than the bottom bracket. I'm not sure what the bottom bracket is. And yeah, it's a pretty nice bike. I just need grips for it. I can still ride it, but the bars are really cold. Alright, out.